I forgot to press record, but this video is about simplifying my vanity makeup, and I'm gonna show you that everything that I have here, right in these drawers right here, and this one full of foundations and concealer. You can see the bronzers, then we have blushes, all of that I'm gonna take out. We're gonna go over there to those drawers, put everything back in organized, and then we are just going to take out makeup and use this 3 compartments only. One will be for foundation and concealers and what I use as primers, one of them for blush, one of them for bronzers, and that's it. And this is what I want to keep on my vanity, and then I find it easier than going through a bunch of stuff that I have here. I feel like this should not be called a vanity drawer makeup because it's just too much. So let's get started and I will show you on the way what I mean. So these are the concealers I have. So we're just gonna take all the concealers and everything except this here. These are just my brow products and my mascaras. So I'm going to take all of this and bring it to those drawers and organize them in those drawers. So let's start with the actual concealers, and then after I'm going to put everything in, then we're going to take out just for those 3 compartments that I showed you. Okay. Okay, let's do the foundations now. To bronzer. So here I have the cream bronzers and then powder bronzers. So let's see how we can fit all this. And then I have 2 highlighters, which I'm going to put them in the highlighter section. This is by Dior, the new one, and this is the Makeup by Mario, but I think I'll keep the Dior one out because this is for sure that I want to keep out as a highlighter, and I'll put this one away. And then here is the blush section that I need to put away. Here are my blush drawers. I tried to organize it based on creams and powders. Do have a lot of creams here. This one, not a big fan at all. I might have to declutter it. It's quite thick, but I'll keep it for now because I bought it. Look how overfilling this is. That's insane. Okay, so let's work on this one. That's overflowing. Okay, so here is this one. So I'm gonna dedicate one portion just for blushes, and I'm gonna use a combo of cream and of regular powder blushes. So let's see here. Okay, I definitely want to choose a Patrick Ta one. So let's see. She's wanted. Maybe I'll choose this one here and have a cream. Ooh, and a powder all in one. I have really been enjoying this one by Nudestix. This is in the shade Bareback. Such a beautiful shade. And let's use a Givenchy one. This is such a pretty shade as well, in the shade pink. Well, the actual shade is 1. I think this is getting quite full, but I do want to choose a Dior one for sure. And I'm gonna choose this one in the shade Cherry. This is the newest one. It's so pretty. Okay, so it looks like the blush one is full. Let's move on to bronzers. What do I want here? I haven't used which one in a while. Oh. My Dior one, I haven't used one in a while, so I'll choose this one for a cream one for now. And need another one, something more different. What is this one? Oh, that's nice. I have to do a big declutter soon. I want to use this one because this one by Charlotte Tilbury, it needs to be used. Now let's move on to the powder section here. I haven't used my Victoria Beckham. This is so pretty. It's like a contour bronzer duo. And one more. Ooh, the Sephora bronzer. You gotta use this one. I haven't used this one in a while as well. Okay, so I think that's it for bronzers. 4 are enough. Oh, foundation. It's gonna be tough. Very tough. I don't know what I want here. So, we have to remember that in this portion right here, I need to fit foundation, concealer, and my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter and my Westman Atelier dewdrops. So let's see here. I have not used this one in a while, which I want to use. My Shiseido Revitalessence Skin Glow Foundation, and mine is in the shade 130 Opal. This one, my Laura Mercier. This was so good when I first tried it, so I really want to use this one more. This is in the shade 1 and 2 Vanille, and I have really been enjoying this. This is brand new, and I want to use it more. I'm using it today, and it looks really beautiful. When I used it on vacation and my skin was dry, I didn't enjoy it that much. And do I need one more? I think I have space for one more. Maybe I should start using my Glossier one. I haven't used this one in a while, so let's use this one. Okay, 4 is enough. Back to my concealer section here. This one, for sure, this was hidden in my concealers, and I want to use it. My YSL pen concealer. I love this one. And another one that's new to me is my Kulfi one. So this too for sure. Okay, so I'm going to put it right there. And I still have space for primer. The primer that I want is my Charlotte Tilbury and my Westman Atelier. This two, I need them here for sure. So see, that fits perfectly now. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, let's go back to the desk. Okay, so these drawers are now completely empty here. Perfect. So in here, I'm gonna have my regular face palettes. They have to stay here because this is all I have, plus my powders and my Charlotte Tilbury powder as well. This is all I use, and that would be it. So I will show you on my desk now what I have, but if you're curious, in here I have all of my favorite lip liners and then lip products, my Dior. Lower here I have all of my Bobbi Brown and Kiko Milano eyeshadow sticks, and then all of this Armani and individual smaller eyeshadow that I use. And then on the bottom I have my most favorite eyeshadow palettes. Okay, so this is everything we've chose from the drawers, and this is gonna stay on my vanity. It's more simple than having all that makeup here, and it was very overwhelming on choosing something. So for concealer, I have my YSL and Kulfi. I love both of this, and I want to give them more tries. They're brand new. Then for primers, I have my Charlotte Tilbury Olive Flawless Filter in shade 1, and then Westman Atelier Dew Drops in Peau de Peche. I always use this on their foundations. I love my Chanel Le Beige. This is a beautiful foundation. These little beads that you see here, I like to put them on the back of my hand and with a brush, just pop them and then use it with a brush and then a sponge all over my face. It looks flawless. That's exactly what I'm wearing today. And I have not used this one in a while, my Shiseido Skin Glow, along with my Laura Mercier. This is in the shade 1 and 2 Vanille, and my Shiseido 130 Opal. So I want to try this out more. And then my Glossier one, I've not used this one in a long time. This is in the shade Light 2. So I'm excited, and look, they all fit in here. So foundations, primers, and the 2 concealers. So that's perfect. Now for blushes, I have kind of 2 creams and 2 powders I've chosen. So I have to take I have to use a Patrick Ta Duo blush. It comes with the cream and the powder, and it has this little flap here. This is in She's Wanted. I love these blushes. You can use them individual or top them with one another. Then for another cream, this is a new one by Nudestix in Bareback, Alana Davison. She's the one that recommended this, so I had to pick it up. It's so pretty. Let me show you. It's such a nice nude shade with a mauvey pink tone. It's beautiful. And then also for powder, I've chosen my Givenchy in the shade 1. This is the Prisme Libre blush, and it's the pink one. So I wanted a pink blush. And then a cherry blush by Dior. This is new in my collection, 015 Cherry. It's quite intense, but it looks lovely on the cheek. So it fits perfectly here. And this is not going to be overwhelming at all. Now for bronzers and highlighter. So I have a highlighter. This is my most used highlighter, my Dior highlighter in the shade 03 Pink Halo. This is the new one that I just purchased. For bronzer, I have 2 creams. So I have my Dior Forever in the shade 01 Light. So this is beautiful, very similar to the Westman Atelier. That's why I didn't go for that one. I have to choose one or the other in my rotation. Then this I haven't used in a while, the Hollywood Contour Wand in the shade Fair Medium. So I put it here because I want to use it up. I spend money on this and I just want to use it. Easy to use as well. Then this Sephora bronzer in the shade 01 Golden Gateway. I even forgot that I have this in my collection, and look how beautiful it looks. So I want to use it more. And my Victoria Beckham, this is like very luxury. This is in the shade 02. It comes with a contour and a bronzer, but I like to just dip my brush through both and create my own bronzing shade. And they fit perfectly here. There you go. So this is my minimal makeup, vanity type of makeup that we are going to switch up quite often, since we only have like 4 products from each category, and it's gonna be more fun this way. I forgot to mention, this is what was sent to me in PR. I believe you've already seen a video on this product. This is the It Do It All Radiant Concealer and the It Sun Blush in the shade Sun Warm 30. So this is a blush, which I'm going to keep here since it's new. I want to use it more. And then the concealer goes right here because these are brand new and I want to use them. So that's what I wanted to mention. And then here I have just my regular products that I use for my brows and my lashes. Let me take this out. Yeah, not that. Let's clean this up too. So I have my Gucci brow product, my two Tarte mascara brown black. This is the Got to Be Glued for my brows. And I have been enjoying this Rare Beauty brow product as well. And the rest is it. And then I have my Kosas, which is very quick to do your brows with. Brow products that stay on my desk. Whew. I hope you guys really enjoyed this organization and you'll just love how this vanity looks now. More simple, more easy to use. This way I'm just gonna be able to do this switch more often and do this type of videos for you guys. Thank you for being here with me. I wish you all a wonderful day and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.